Hello class. Now in this lecture we will see a different gear shifting pattern available in case of the gear two-wheeler. Okay. So normally in case of the bike we have a gear arrangement, manual gear shifting mechanism is there. Okay. So there are at the foot position. Okay. In case of the scooters, some scooters come geared scooter. The gear shifting mechanism is located at hand, as we can see in case of the auto rickshaw. Gear handle is there. Okay, but in case of the bikes, the lever, foot lever is located. Okay, which is at the left position, at the left side of the vehicle, which we are operating by left leg. Okay, so normally there are three type of gear shifting mechanism is there: seesaw type, rotary type, and return type. So seesaw type and return type are nowadays most favorably employed in case of the two-wheeler in India. But this rotary type was not is not are discontinued right now, because it is a very confusing gear shifting mechanism. Because when we are using rotary type, the driver did not getting any judgment of which gear is right now in position or engage condition. Okay, so there are now three type of gear shifting mechanisms available. One is the seesaw type, rotary type, and the return type. Now we'll see seesaw means this here. N is nothing but the neutral. The neutral means the position at which no single gear is engaged. Okay, so either clutch is engaged condition, whatever the speed of the engine or the torque of the engine are not transmitted to the road wheels, because gear is not engaged. It's a neutral position. Okay, so another thing is the first gear, second gear, third gear, fourth gear, and fifth gear. Now what is how neutral position is actually means what exactly happen. So speed is not transmitted to road wheels. That how it neutral condition is look like. So in the previous lecture I have shown you the gearbox used in case of the four-wheeler. Okay, and on that basis I have explained the thing which is called as a that engagement disengagement of the gear. So right now whatever the shown in the figure, okay, so it is seen, we can notice here कि not a single dog clutch, this is a dog clutch 1, dog clutch 2, not a single dog clutch are engaged with the respect to dog teeth. मतलब ये डॉग क्लच का ये डॉग टिथ इस टिथ से भी अटैच नहीं है, इस टिथ से भी अटैच नहीं है. ओके, सिमिलर नीचे भी वही scenario है. In this case also it is same scenario. We can see not a single teeth of the dog teeth are engaged, dog clutch is engaged with the respective dog teeth. So right now all the gear on the main shaft is free. All the gear on the main shaft is free. So whatever the power coming from the engine are transferred to the lathe shaft. Okay, and lathe shaft rotates. This main shaft gear rotate, not a main shaft. ओके, बिकॉज मेन शाफ्ट के ऊपर ये जो गियर है वो बेरिंग के ऊपर माउंट है. सो गियर प्रेजेंट ऑन द मेन शाफ्ट इज रोटेट, बट they rotate itself. They are not responsible to have rotation of the main shaft, because not a single dog clutch are engaged with this position. So right now not a single gear is engaged with the main shaft. Okay, so this position is called as a neutral position. Okay, so similarly because of that whatever the engine power coming through clutch shaft are not transmitted to the main shaft, or not coming out from the gearbox. Okay, so no output from the gearbox, only input is input going to the gearbox, but no output coming out from the gearbox. So this is called as a neutral gear. Okay, neutral means no gears engaging condition in such a condition. So this is the end for the neutral. After first gear, second gear, third gear, fourth gear, and the fifth gear. So in seesaw type, first gear maybe there means this is a this in that way in the direction of the arrow we are supposed to apply a gear. Okay, and when we means we are shifting low gear to high gear. Okay, 1 to 2 2 to 3 3 to 4 4 to 5. So we are pressing our that lever, foot lever, in the reverse direction. Okay, when I want to shift high gear to low gear ratio, then this dotted line I have to follow, direction of dotted line I follow. So fifth to 4, 4 to 3, third to second, second to 1, and then neutral. In that way we can have a seesaw type movement, or we can arrange the neutral at the last also. Okay, so start with the first gear, second gear, third gear, fourth gear, fifth gear, and the neutral. In that way also in some vehicle it is there. Okay, so this is the thing, this is a thing which is used in the seesaw type. Now rotary type. In the rotary type, at the boat end we are having a neutral position. Okay, so this is n at the starting. After that I'm downshift, then first gear, then say first to second, second to third, third to fourth, fifth. So in that way I'm moving towards the top gear. Okay, and after that once again I have press, then again I am getting neutral. So after that again I have press, I will get the first gear, second gear, third gear. So rotary movement, no need to have that seesaw movement. Okay, in return type, return type means the first gear is at the front. After that you have to press backwards on neutral, then second, third, fourth, fifth, five. So this is this is the pattern of gear shifting, which nowadays is very popular. That is first at front, after that neutral in center, then second, third, fourth and fifth at the rear. So this is the gear pattern. It is there. Okay, in case of the two wheeler. Now on which basis such a pattern is changed? So there is a gear select shifting drum is there. So this is the gear shifting drum. Okay, so whatever the grooves present on the gear shifting drum, in that groove a pin from the selecting fork is travel, or that groove is followed by the selected fork. Okay, sliding fork or gear selecting fork, and that gear selecting fork is right on the guide pin. Okay, so that guide pin. So when I'm supposed to rotate that drum, okay, so to follow that groove, the the sliding fork or the selecting fork are start to travel linearly, this side or this side, depending on the groove nature. Okay, so for example, if I rotate this groove in front direction, okay, then this, to follow that shape, okay, that shape, this groove will travel in this selecting fork will travel in this direction. So rotary moment of the drum, select that gear shifting drum, are converted into linear moment of that selecting or sliding fork. Okay, so with respect to that, the gear get shifted. So this groove present on the sliding drum or gear shifting drum decides what is the pattern. Okay, whether it is seesaw type or the rotary type or the return type. Okay, so this is the thing here. Okay, so we see the seesaw type. In such a system, neutral gear is located at the extreme end, either at extreme front or extreme rear. So neutral gear front में हो सकता है या rear में हो सकता है. Okay, so normally the neutral gear is located at the front. Okay, so when shifting a neutral to first, so shifting neutral to first to second, need to press a gear pedal in one direction, and when need to down means अगर second से first पे आना है और first से neutral पे आना है, so you have to press in another direction. So that movement is seesaw type. Okay, so that's why such a type of gear shifting pattern is called a seesaw type gear shifting pedal system. Okay, or gear shifting pattern. The moment of gear is extreme, gear at extreme both end is lock. Okay, so ये जो groove है, if you observe the groove present on the selecting drum, gear selecting drum, then it is stop over discontinue groove. मतलब एक groove जो है वो continuously 360 एंगल पे नहीं है, थ्रू आउट द पेरीफेरी नहीं है. ओके, यहाँ आगे वो स्टॉप हो गया. सो बिकॉज ऑफ दैट द फोर्क विल नॉट, हम ड्रम को रोटेट करते रहे, ये जो पिन है यहाँ तक ट्रैवल करेगा. सो इस उसके आगे ट्रैवल नहीं करेंगे बिकॉज ग्रू नहीं है उसके आगे. सो उसको रिटर्न लाने के लिए हमें अपोजिट डायरेक्शन में प्रेस करना पड़ेगा. सो दैट वाई द मोमेंट बिकम अ सीसॉ टाइप. ओके, नाउ this is a rotary type. Now whatever the groove present over here in this selecting drum is continuous 360 है वो. okay, so because of that क्या होता है कि no need to return, you no need to press a return your pedal. You can go if you go on pressing in a one direction, you will get a different gear pattern continuously, so you need not to return back. Okay, so here in such type of gear system pedal only move in one direction. You can press, just need to press in one direction, you will definitely get the second, first, third, fourth, again neutral, again first, third, fourth. No need to press backside because whatever the groove is present over this drum is continuous. Okay, so pedal is continuously moving. So when shifting neutral to first to second, need to press gear pedal in one direction. When need to down the gear, that is क्या उसके वजह से क्या होता है कि ड्राइवर जो है कंफ्यूज नहीं होता कि सेकंड गियर प्रेस करने के लिए आगे प्रेस करे या फ्रंट साइड प्रेस करे लीवर के, बट ये कंफ्यूजन हो सकता है कि राइट नाउ इन विच gear right now which gear is engaged condition. That is that difficulty may that difficulty maybe that difficulty may be there. Okay, so as it having a continuous rotary movement for the gear selecting purpose, such a type of gear is pattern is called as a rotary. Okay, so this is the rotary type of gear shifting mechanism. After that, return type. Now return type का जो भी selected drum है is look like is having a gear pattern like same, okay, as shown here. Only thing is that the neutral position is after the first gear. Okay, first in front, after that in center neutral, after that second, third, fourth, fifth gear at the rear position. In that way we are having this pattern. In such a type of gear shift pattern need to press in front direction to select the first gear from neutral position. So initially आपका जो gear shifting mechanism होता है या lever होता है वो neutral position पे रहता है, and to select or to start the vehicle or to propel the vehicle, initially you have to first press the gear pedal in front direction. Once it get movement sufficiently, then you have to again come back to neutral, and after that at the rear you have to press the second, third, fourth respect to fifth gear. So you all are those who are riding the bike, okay, they are having the two-wheeler license, they know give what pattern such type of pattern right now are mostly used in case of the bikes. So once first gear is engaged, then to select the second gear pedal need to be pressed back. Okay, so to फर्स्ट गेयर एंगेज हो गया, अभी अब फिर से हम को सेकंड थर्ड डालना है तो हमें फिर से न्यूट्रल पे आना पड़ेगा. सो दैट्स व्हाई वी हैव टू कम बैक टू न्यूट्रल पोजीशन. फर्स्ट गेयर डालने के बाद हमें फिर से न्यूट्रल पे आना पड़ता है सेकंड, थर्ड, फोर्थ, फिफ्थ डालने के लिए. सो दैट्स व्हाई सच अ टाइप ऑफ गियर शिफ्टिंग मैकेनिज्म इज कॉल्ड एज अ रिटर्न टाइप पैटर्न. ओके, क्योंकि फर्स्ट डालने के बाद हम फिर से न्यूट्रल पे रिटर्न आ रहे हैं, आफ्टर सेकंड, थर्ड, फोर्थ, फिफ्थ डाल रहे हैं. सो दिस सच टाइप ऑफ गियर शिफ्टिंग मैकेनिज्म इज कॉल्ड एज अ रिटर्न टाइप gear shifting pattern. Okay, I hope you understood the thing. Thank you.